Good morning, students. Jai Hind, all of you. So, today we will start the chapter friction. So, in this video, I will give you the basic idea of a friction. So, first of all, what is a friction? Friction is a force that opposes the motion of an object when the object is in contact with another object or surface. It is basically the force which slows down or stops the motion. How does friction affect motion now? If you roll a ball along the floor or ground, it will automatically slow down or stop even though no apparent force is being applied to it. The ball slows down and stops because of friction. Similarly, the friction slowdowns a moving object. Friction occurs when two objects rub against each other. A car that runs on a very rough road slows down due to friction. However, on a smooth surface, it travels very fast. A smooth surface has a very few bumps and hollows. There is a less friction on a smooth surface. A running object can glide or move continuously with the little force. So, why this friction happens? The surface on a microscopic level contains many irregularities. When the irregularity of two surfaces interlock with each other, the surface suffers problem while traveling or while moving over the other surface. Their irregularities got interlocked. That's why the motion of the body slows down. So, the force that opposes the motion of an object is called friction. Smooth surface produce less friction and allows shoes and tires to slip. You might have got slipped from a very smooth surface. Water is there, then you will automatically slip from that kind of surface. So smooth surface has a less friction. That's why it is not able to stop the motion of object. That's why it got slippery. On a rough surface there are more bumps and hollows, means irregularities. When you push the cart on a rough road, it will travel slowly. There is more friction acting on a moving cart. Rougher the surface, the more friction is there. So more the surface is rough, more will be the friction. The slower an object moves. So from this we conclude that friction is lesser on a smooth shiny surface and it is greater on a rough surface. It basically depends upon the nature of a surface, whether it is smooth or rough. So with the examples, now you are able to explain the friction, the basic reason behind the friction. What is the direction of friction? Friction always acts in the direction opposite to that of motion. So hopefully you have now the basic idea of friction. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you so much.